Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back guys. So today we are trying out those TikTok hacks, makeup routines that you have been seeing going viral on TikTok. I wanted to try some out. So on this side you see I tried out the floss, and on this side I tried out the lip hack. So continue to watch this video and you can see how I attempted to achieve these looks. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the tutorial. Alright, so what we're going to be using for this process will be some floss. And so the girl in the video I saw on TikTok, she used like, I think it was the jar eyeliner. I don't. So in this video we'll be using floss and eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, the girl in the video, she had the jar kind, but I don't have that, so we only have the tubes. So what I'm gonna have to do is get a little dirty, and I'm going to have to almost coat my floss and then put it on there. So I am going to, this is a lot, because if I mess it up, then all my makeup is messed up because it's black. But I guess it's the whole purpose of the video, so let's get into it. So let's go ahead and get this floss. In the video, she had like a piece of paper or something that she was holding while she was on it. So I'm gonna do that as well. So hopefully they can hold it as I pull it out. I'm gonna pull it upward and not downward, so that way it don't get on my eye, because maybe we can finesse it if it don't look right. We'll see. But we're going to go ahead and get started. This is crazy. Can't really. Okay, so we did a little bit. Let's just do it like this. Let's just do the first one so you can see it. Let's try with the board.
Kick.
It kind of got me a little something right here. I see it. Maybe I should like, cause she had like some circles, so I'm gonna like yeah. And I think she just like looped it like that. And laid it on it. And then pulled it. I'm gonna pull it away. Yeah, like that. Okay, that's how it's supposed to do. That's how it's supposed to look.
Kick.
I need to do some more over here.
Gets kick. Okay, so this is how we're looking. It's very abstract, it's different. It does not look like how the girl did, and I will include a picture here at how she looked and then how I look. It's very different, but I will give it a little time to wear on. Honestly, y'all, I don't even want to do it on the other side. I actually want to try the other TikTok hat where they do the lips and then they put it on your face. I mean, I know that was for Valentine's Day, but I still wanted to try that out. So I'm actually wanting to do that. So I'm going to do that on this side, and we're going to see how it turns out. We're going to just try both TikTok hats. So I'm going to like get a little bit of a darker shadow. I'm not going to do black, but kind of like smoke it out a little bit. And then we're going to set it, and then we're going to go do this out. Okay, so this is the first case that I could get my hands on, which was the crown case. And I'm going to just go in with this dark shadow right here. And I don't even know. It's looking more browny, but I have a makeup brush and I have a little bit of foundation in. So I'm hoping that if I dab it in there and do a little bit, I don't know, y'all. I feel like I should just leave it alone. I was trying to decide what I was going to do. I dabbed it. Kind of like toned it down. Maybe I should wing it out. Let's do that. Gets kick.
Okay. Put lash on, and I'm kind of feeling my lip on that. We're good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lashes last. So let's go ahead and do this eye. So I have not decided what color lip I want to do for this, and I kind of wish I had black lips so I could do
black on each side, so it kind of would go together, but I don't. So I'm going to try to find the darkest color I have, and we'll try to use that. It's the closest thing. I decided to go with red, and this is from Winter Beauties. So this is number 7. I'm not sure the name of it, but this is the number that's on the bottom of it. It's number 7, and this is like a bright red. Their mattes really do matte, so I'm kind of scared because I'm gonna take my makeup off. Oh my gosh, I did not get any makeup wipes. That's gonna be crazy, taking the stuff off. Okay, let's not focus about that. We're not there yet, so let's dwell on the present. So we're gonna do red, black and red. That is 2. You might as well just throw glitter in the mix, and then we'll really be having a time. In the original video, she uses saran wrap. I don't have saran wrap. I thought that's what I had, but it was actually the parsley paper, or I think that's the name of the paper that you use when you're baking. So I don't have it, so we're going to try to improvise, and by improvising we are going to use an index card that we use similar to the one we use on this side, and so we're gonna have to move fast. So index card, lip, let's go. I don't even want to do my full lip because I got big lips. We just want to form a shape. Okay, we're first of all, my lips are lippable. My lips are lippable. Yeah. Okay. Probably gonna do like one right there and one right there, and then I'll be done because this is already dry. The more I put on here, the more it's gonna be hard to take off with no makeup remover. Ugh, Jasmine.
Got the kick.
I honestly was about to use a paper bag, to be honest, guys. I think I'm gonna stop. And then, because I'm just gonna stop, we got something, it doesn't look like lips, and I think that's because also I don't have the plastic wrap. So we're gonna stop here, and we're going to finish my lip, put the lashes on, and I'm gonna come back and give you my final touches. They also, when I did this look, they did go in with some setting powder and just set the lips, so I'm gonna do that, and I will come back for my final review and updates on this TikTok hats. Alright guys, so this is how it looks once I did everything. Honestly, I actually like the floss look better than the lip one, but honestly, I think the lip didn't turn out the best because I didn't have the saran wrap. I may try this again at another occasion or situation, but for now, I'm glad I can check this off my book that I was able to achieve and attempt this look. One thing I will say, it's definitely something that you need a tutorial with. Like, you probably will. It probably would have worked best if I would have had the either powder, not powder, but either the color of my choice that I was going to use being a jar substance. That way I could put the floss in there and really saturate the string, so that way it would go faster, and I could probably do more with trying to achieve a better look than what I have. But for the most part, again, it still turned out good from the process that I used. Also for the lip, as you can see, I didn't have the saran wrap, so I had to use a paper. I think that's what hindered the true print of my lips to really show. So right now, it's just like I just do a lot of red on my face and kept it moving. But I'm really excited that I tried it. I mean, you know, I like to try some of these hacks because it could definitely cut my makeup look and routine in half. So I'm not upset that I did try. I mean, you never know until you try. So I mean, I'm not upset about it. My makeup looks really good, honestly. So I'm really excited about everything for the most part. For the look, you know, it's giving me very abstract makeup look. So it's okay. So lesson learned what to do. Hopefully we'll try some more products out later on and determine if, you know, this is really a keepsake for makeup purposes. But guys, I hope you did enjoy a quick TikTok tutorial on trying out some new makeup hacks. If you try it out, please let me know in the comment section below. Let me know which one you did and which one worked best for you. Also, what you may advise that I probably could have did better doing this opposed to what I actually did. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you guys are not missing an upload. And I do see we have some new followers here. Thank you guys so much for joining my station, my channel, whatever you want to call it. I don't have a name for nobody, so just thank you guys so much for joining. And I continue hope that we grow and learn and just grow together. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, stay true and stay you. And I will see you guys in the next video.
And thank you.